Airport authority, airport operator, we regularly conduct this type of exercise. In fact, last 2 weeks back we conducted this building evacuation drill. This is as per the Ministry of Homeland instruction. We have conducted drill with the support of state government as well as the CSF. It was successfully we have completed the exercise, and if anything future there is any requirement, definitely will be addressed.
Considering the tense situation along the border and the very crucial airport here, has any commercial flights been affected or more time is being given to the naval flights?
Around the 22 airports have been closed in the northern region. There are 2 airports which are, one is Chandigarh and Amritsar Airport and Internet. These airports have been flights are regularly from the Dabolim Airport. There are 2 flights today, it is cancelled. And for tomorrow onwards we can see that what will be the future. As of today, this only 2 flights were cancelled.
What is your reaction about the whole thing going on?
No, as of now there is no. How we are managing. To any situation we are prepared and we are ready to face the. We already have a full case of.
Thank you.
Easy.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.